If you're wondering how Namecheap business email works, this video is going to walk you through the full setup in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create your business email mailbox, log into it, and start using it for your professional communication. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find Private Email. This is where Namecheap keeps all of your business email tools and settings. Click on Private Email to open your email service area. Now, next to your email service, you'll see a Manage option. Click Manage to open a control panel for your email plan. This is where you can create mailboxes, view your service details, and manage everything related to your business email account. Once the management page opens, look for the Create Mailbox button and click it. This is the step that actually lets you set up a new business email address on your domain. After you click it, you'll need to enter your desired mailbox name. This is the part before the @ symbol, so choose something professional and easy to remember, like info, support, hello, or your own name. After that, create a strong password for the mailbox. Make sure it's secure, unique, and something you can store safely. A strong password helps protect your inbox from unauthorized access and keeps your business communication safe. Next, you'll choose the mailbox storage amount. Namecheap lets you select how much space you want for this email account, depending on your plan and needs. If you expect to send and receive lots of files, attachments, or emails, it's a good idea to choose storage that gives you enough room to grow. Before finishing, carefully review all the details you entered. Check the mailbox name, password, and storage selection to make sure everything looks correct. When everything is ready, click Create Mailbox to finish the setup. Once the mailbox has been created, you'll see a Login option next to it. Click Login to open your new business email account. This is how you access the inbox for the mailbox you just created. Now enter your full email address and the password you set earlier. Be sure to type the complete address, including the domain name, so the login works properly. After that, click Sign In. And that's it. You've now created and accessed your Namecheap business email account. From here you can start sending professional emails, organizing your inbox, and using your new address for your website, business, or personal brand. If you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.